In this video we're going to be replacing climate control in 2014 Mercedes ML350. Really only issue I have with this one is buttons. It's found replacement in junkyard, so that's what we'll be replacing. All we need is a small plastic pry tool. And it's out. Now I'm gonna disconnect a bunch of connectors. Here's the replacement. Gonna start the vehicle, make sure system is working. It does, and it does look really good. Now I can actually see where the off button is. On this one I couldn't tell. If you're curious about the price, I found it at a junkyard for about $30–$35. I believe those, where everything looks good, sell on eBay for about $100. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.